When it comes to your business, IT issues can be inconvenient and at worst devastating. Our commercial services will keep your business connected and protected.
Top Notch exceeds all our company's expectations. They've helped maintain our network and equipment, and they've helped our business grow.
Whoever answers the phone, responds to your email, or shows up at your doorstep is going to be an expert with a genuine passion for what they do. For us, it's all about solutions and just making things better. Call us at 1-800-307-1249 or visit us online at topnotchcomputers.com.